Is it true that honey calms coughs? What is honey? Well, honey is a sweet, viscous food substance made by honeybees and some related insects. There are more than 300 types of honey that exist today, with each one of them loaded with health benefits. Broadly, honey can be categorized as raw or processed. Honey has several varieties depending on its composition, source, color, processing methods, and therapeutic applications. The most effective one is the natural wild honey. Drinking tea, or warm lemon water mixed with honey, is a time-honored way to soothe a sore throat. In one study, children ages 1 to 5 with upper respiratory tract infections were given up to 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters, of honey at bedtime. The honey seemed to reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep. National Institute for Health and Care Excellence and Public Health England found evidence from 3 randomized controlled trials, all of which looked at using honey in children and young people. 2 of the studies compared it with no treatment, and 1 allowed supportive treatment, if needed, which included saline, salt water, nose drops, water vapor and paracetamol. In both comparisons, children given honey coughed less often, and had less severe coughs compared with those given no treatment. This evidence led National Institute for Health and Care Excellence and Public Health England to suggest that honey can be used to relieve cough symptoms, but only in people over 1 year of age. How can I use honey to treat a cough? While there are many over-the-counter cough medicines that include honey, you can also mix it with hot lemon yourself at home to obtain a similar effect. First, squeeze half a lemon into a mug of boiled water. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, then stir to mix them, and drink while still warm.